Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace spark plugs Lexus ES 350. Start by disconnecting the battery negative terminal and removing the engine cover to gain access. Next, label and unplug each ignition coil, then unbolt and carefully extract the coils one at a time. Clean the spark plug wells, use a socket to remove old plugs, and Begin removal by working on one cylinder at a time to keep things organized and avoid mix-ups. Unplug the electrical connector, remove the coil mounting bolt, and pull the coil straight out to prevent damage. Use a spark plug socket with extension to carefully back out the plug, inspecting the old plug for wear and deposits to help diagnose engine condition. Install new spark plugs by hand-threading each one to ensure proper seating and to prevent cross-threading, then use a torque wrench to tighten to factory specifications. Reinstall ignition coils, connect electrical plugs securely, and replace the engine cover and battery connection. Finally, perform a quick startup and inspect for smooth idle and absence of misfires to confirm a successful job.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.